Hello, everyone. My name is Emily. It is a beautiful, bright Saturday morning, and I am at my favorite place in the city, the open air market. The air is cool, the sun is warm, and the whole place smells like fresh mint and sweet apples. Today, I have a special mission. My best friend Sarah is coming over for dinner tonight. I want to cook a healthy Mediterranean meal for us. I need to find the freshest ingredients: tomatoes, bell peppers, garlic, lemons, and some fresh herbs. I also want to find a special treat for dessert. My basket is empty now, but I hope it will be full of colors very soon. Let's go shopping together. I see the first stall. It is a mountain of red and yellow. These tomatoes look like they are glowing under the sun. Good morning. These tomatoes look beautiful. Are they locally grown?
Good morning. Yes, they came from the farm just an hour ago. They are very sweet today.
That is perfect. I am making a salad. How much is a kilo?
It is $3 a kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo of the red ones, please. And can I also have 2 of those large green bell peppers?
Of course. Here you are. That will be $4.50 in total.
Here is $5. You can keep the change. Have a lovely day. I tuck the bag into my basket. The tomatoes feel heavy and firm, exactly what I need. Now I need to find the heart of my pasta sauce: garlic and herbs. I walk a little further and the scent of the market changes. It's earthy and spicy. I see a small stall with many green bunches hanging from the roof. Hi there, do you have any fresh basil today?
I certainly do. I just put it out. It smells wonderful, doesn't it?
It's amazing. I can smell it from a mile away. I'll take a big bunch of basil and 2 bulbs of garlic, please.
Is that all for today?
Actually, do you have any fresh oregano?
I'm sorry. I'm all out of oregano. But I have some very nice rosemary.
No, thank you. Just the basil and garlic today. How much do I owe you?
That's $2, please.
I add the green basil to my basket. Now it looks even more beautiful: red, green, and white. My next stop is the fruit section. I need lemons for my salad dressing and maybe something sweet. I see a vendor waving at me.
Bananas, grapes, sweet lemons. Try a sample, miss.
Hello, are these lemons juicy? I need a lot of juice for my cooking.
These are the juiciest lemons in the market. Look at the thin skin. That means they are full of juice.
Great, I'll take 3 lemons. Oh, and those strawberries look delicious. How much is 1 box?
Strawberries are $4 a box. They are very ripe, so you should eat them today.
That's perfect for my dessert. I'll take 1 box of strawberries and the 3 lemons. The vendor smiles and hands me the fruit. My basket is getting quite heavy now. I have my vegetables, my herbs, and my fruit. But as I walk toward the exit, I see something I didn't put on my list. There is a small table with jars of golden honey and fresh bread. The smell of the bread is incredible: warm, salty, and crusty. Hello, is this bread fresh from the oven?
Yes, it's still warm. It's sourdough bread. It goes very well with olive oil and tomatoes.
Oh, that sounds exactly like what I need for my dinner. I cannot resist. I'll take 1 loaf, please. I am walking toward the exit now. The sun is higher in the sky, and the air is getting warmer. I feel a little tired because my basket is heavy, but I also feel very proud. I didn't just buy food. I collected stories and smiles. Thank you for coming with me on my shopping mission. I have everything I need for a perfect dinner. Now I have to go home and start cooking. What about you? What is your favorite thing to buy at a local market? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.